Create a catchy product infographic like this one using Canva. Start by opening Canva and selecting a custom size for the perfect square layout. Upload a high-quality image of your product and place it at the center of the design. Use Canva's background remover button to erase the original background and keep the focus solely on the product. To change the background color, click on the canvas and the colorful circle. Use the pipette tool to set the perfect background color that complements the product. Next, add a shadow to the product by using the drop shadow feature in Canva. Now, let's add icons. Choose a circle shape and place it beside the product, creating a white border for the circle. Add text for the icon by using the text section. To finish the icon, add a symbol inside the circle that represents the text. As a final touch, search for an arrow in the Elements section and place it pointing from the product to the icon. Now, select the entire icon structure and copy-paste it to create a final composition of 3 icons around the product. Adjust the text and symbols for each icon and rotate the arrows as needed. The image is ready for export. Click the Share button and export it in PNG format. Upload the image to Amazon or other platforms to attract more sales.